Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GitLab projects using export and repository mirroring step by step clearly. To start backing up your GitLab projects, first, log into your GitLab account. Navigate to the project you wish to back up. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Settings section. From the drop-down, select General to access the project settings. Scroll down to find the Advanced Settings. Click on Expand to reveal more options. Look for the Export Project section. Click on the Export Project button. A progress indicator will appear as GitLab prepares your project for export. Once the export is complete, a download link will become available. Click on the link to download the project export file to your local device. Next, let's set up repository mirroring for ongoing backups. Return to the project settings page. Find the repository section. Scroll down to locate mirroring repositories. Click on that Add button to start the mirroring process. In the Git repository URL field, enter the URL of the target repository. This could be another GitLab instance or a different Git hosting service. Set the mirror direction by selecting either pull or push. Choose push if you want to send changes from this repository to the other. Expanding advanced settings allows you to configure more options. You can specify authentication methods if required. Once all details are entered, click the Mirror Repository button. GitLab will now start the mirroring process. To verify that your mirroring is working, navigate back to the Mirroring Repositories section. Check for any error messages or confirmation of successful mirroring. With these steps completed, your projects are now securely backed up using both export and repository mirroring. Remember to regularly check your backups to ensure they are up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.